This is a tutorial on how to use the Type-C connector with Android devices like a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel. You'll see right at the top here, the Type-C connector, and this is what you'll insert into compatible devices. So let's insert the Type-C connector into this Android device. Now this is a Google Pixel, but the Samsung Galaxy operates the same way. So if a folder doesn't automatically pop up, you'll notice that a USB icon does once it recognizes the device. So go ahead and drop down the notification menu. You'll see USB drive and click on it. So right here, there's a number of files that we have on our phone that we can go ahead and move to the USB drive. So if I want to take these two pictures of headsets, I can just select them, hit the three dots on the top right corner, copy to, and then go to this three lines here, the kind of file folder menu icon, and I can choose to copy them to my USB device. So I'll go ahead and hit copy, and those two items are copying right now. Now if I want to validate that, I can go back to the USB drive, and I can see that those pictures are automatically copied over. Now if I want to take pictures from the USB drive and move them to the phone, I can select pictures. I can essentially copy to, hit the menu, and I want to choose onto the device here. Again, your device may differ based on which one you're using. And I can copy them here, copying to items. And again, if I want to go ahead and validate that, I can go to the phone icon, and you'll see that those two pictures just populated in real time. And it's just that simple. For more details, visit us at www.cleverdanbrand.com/quickstart.